Hi, my name is Benedict, a student from Frontland Institute, currently taking culinary arts at diploma stage. Today we are having a cocktail menu comprised of variety of dishes. Uh, we have the mini beef kebabs, chicken drumettes. We have vegetable spring rolls and cocktail sausages alongside with a drink, which is pineapple, ginger cocktail, and passion. For the desserts, we have the mini brownies and vanilla cupcakes. Yeah, mainly we enjoyed the class. It helped us combine the dishes together, and the menus.